to the channel. This may be the last video in the old garage. I think this is the last video in here. Why? The only reason we're filming this video in here and not at the new garage is because the Evo had no wheels on it. So in the background over there, I got my new same BBS Evo 9 MR wheels. Of course it's rainy today, but we're at the old place. Here's the Evo. It's been sitting here sad, lonely, hasn't been washed for a long time, still needs a paint job. Just sitting here. It did have some wheel lug nuts on there. I took them off because we're doing this today. We're putting the new Evo 9 MR wheels on. They're amazing. I can't wait to show you guys. You're already seen from the edit, but I haven't seen it yet. So what we're gonna do is install the new, I don't know how to say this, refurbished, powder coated, gloss black Evo 9 MR wheels, the BBS ones. We're gonna install those today. I got new lug nuts, and then I gotta see what you guys have already seen, and I'm excited for it. So let's jump over to the parts that I have today. Okay, so the car came with these ones. I believe these are the OEM nuts, Acorn or whatever they're called, just nuts. These are the OEM ones they came with. So weird. I don't know why, but my car only had 16 of them, so it was missing a lug nut on our four wheels. Bizarre. So we went with this style. Gloss black Acorn. These I believe are 20 of them. There's 20 of them and not 16. 12 by 1.5. That's the thread pitch inside of here. And then of course the most generic. Anyone that thinks that they have a lock key, this is not a lock key. Everyone has this tool. And then I got a 19 millimeter with my, what is this thing called? Oben 21 volt battery. I love this impact gun. I've been really enjoying it instead of doing an air compressor. So we're gonna install that. And then of course the OEM BBS center caps. So you guys ready for it? Are you guys ready? Well, you already saw, but I'm ready. Here we go, here we go. So here are the wheels. Look at those. So freshly powder coated, amazing, pretty expensive. To get all of them powder coated is $125 per wheel to get them powder coated. Really kind of disappointed when I went to pick them up. It's a local company. I'm not going to say anything bad about them, but kind of disappointed. They didn't feel the bumper, or they didn't feel the wheel all the way perfectly. So they did powder coat them, but there's spots on it, on the wheels, like right here, where you can still see that there's a little bit of rash underneath the paint. Oh yeah, you guys can see right there. So not the end of the world. Don't really care. I mean, I do care, but it's not. You're not going to be able to really tell. I can tell because I know, and you guys know, but from a point of view, you can't tell. With these, I got the Hankook right here, Ventus V2. These are all seasons right here. They're 235s, 45s, 17s. This is the OEM profile, but with brand new meat. These are brand new, still have the stickers on them. We could probably pull the stickers off right now. This is extremely satisfying. What we're gonna do, I think that this, I know that these are good tires. I ran these same Hankooks on my Evo 10 GSR with RPF 1. Amazing setup. Definitely recommend if you want an aftermarket wheel. I actually kind of like the OEM Evo 10 wheels. They ain't bad. Not as good as the RPF ones, the deep dish ones that I had. Those are really nice. But truly, to be honest, I think I like these wheels more than anything. Lately, I don't know if you guys have noticed, I've been kind of doing this thing where I get like OEM Plus. So I think this is an OEM Plus look. It's OEM and then Plus because it's powder coated. But the other thing that I did recently was on my Toyota Celica GTS, I put the BRZ STI, I don't know, it's not a release wheel, it's just the STI BRZ, whatever that version is. I put those, the limited version, I put those wheels on my Celica. They're OEM, they look OEM Plus, they're really good. So I like them. So this is gonna give it that same look. So let's go ahead along all four of these, take off the stickers, and then bring one of the wheels out to the Evo and install my new powder coated wheels. I'm stoked. Okay, new lug nuts on, first wheel is on. Yeah, that is totally my style. That looks so good. I love that. That is awesome. We might need a little bit of a spacer, just a little bit. You know, it is sitting off the ground. Wait till we lower it. Wait till I get the front new lip, the SE lip stalled. Wait till I get the Evo 9 rear bumper installed. But yeah, so let's go ahead and grab the next wheel here, and then we'll tighten again. I like these lug nuts, I think they look good. Okay, we've done it. All 4 wheels are on the Evo 9 MR fat new Hankook. Ventus is on there. Those look really good. I'm excited to put some wheel spacers. I do want wheel spacers. Okay, next thing we're gonna do is get the car off those floor jacks. I want those floor jacks. They've been sitting here for like 3 weeks. I need those floor jacks for the I think we're gonna put the MR2 on it to get the new tires for MR2. So let's go ahead and pull these floor jacks out. Okay, it's coming down. There we go. Let's do it. See if we can do it slow. Look at all the grass on this thing. Here it comes on down. Remember, it's stock ride height. Very good. Yeah. This thing's still a monster truck. All right, let's lower the other side. Okay, the Evo looks amazing. Sitting down all the way now. I really like that look. That is exactly what I was going for. I have not started this Evo in a long time. So let's, yeah, that looks so good. So let's go ahead and do an Evo start. I haven't started this in like 2-3 weeks. So let's see if it'll start up. I don't know if the battery's dead or whatnot, but let's try our best to fire this thing up. Back it out of this driveway. We get to drive it home tonight. I'm stoked. All right, Evo. Yeah, back in the Evo 9. I'm so excited. So once I get this car painted, which is not for a little bit, but once I get this car painted, I get to wrap my steering wheel. I just don't want the painters to touch that new wrap. It has the Alcantara, the cloth on it. And then I get to do the carbon fiber for here and the carbon fiber on the dash. And then I'm probably gonna keep these same boost gauges, but it all starts with getting this thing painted. So I'm stoked. Very excited, very, very excited. Love it. Can't wait to see the exterior. You guys have already seen it. We're on our way to go to my favorite parking garage to do the cinematic edit. Do you guys want to hear the best sound in the world? Ready? Oh my gosh. It is. It's the best sound in the world. That is my favorite thing right there. Oh, I love it. We made it to my favorite spot. Of course, the final piece of today. We gotta put the wheel caps, BBS. Let's put them back on. They are gonna say BBS right in the middle in silver. It'll look good. I think I'll leave it like that. We'll see, but let's put them all on now. Overall, I absolutely love it. Totally, hold on one second, there we go. Totally my style. The black, the red looks really, really, really good. You know, all the cars are kind of black and red. I like that look. That is my favorite look. One of the things that we definitely need to do is get some kind of coilover. So you guys should comment down below what is your favorite coilover for the Evo 9. I think a lot of you guys are gonna say the Fortunes. I think I'm gonna go different than Fortune, but I do need a coilover. So anything besides Fortune, comment down below what I should get for a coilover. And then of course, I think I really do need some wheel spacers. I think it'd look a lot more aggressive with the wheel spacers. I don't know if I need extended studs to do the wheel spacers, but I do love that I got OEM BBS MR wheels. This is another reason why I wanted this car, is for these wheels. This car especially is because I love that. I love the black. I love the red. I think that looks really good. Now we just need to start doing some more black and accents. Roof needs to be black. Windows need to be tinted. Car needs to be lowered. We need the SE lip, which I'm going to be doing in red, all red, paint when it gets all painted. So someone comment down below. I don't think these are I think these are chrome. Are these not the JDM ones? I think those are the USDM ones. So I think I want black headlights. I don't think these are black. You can take them apart and paint them, but someone said don't do that. So these aren't black. They're chrome. I don't know. But I do want darker headlights. It makes the Brembos stick out really, really well. I love the Brembos. Brembos are so good. This is how the car should have came from factory. I like these taillights. They look good. I like them a lot. Love the Brembos. Oh man, that looks really, really good. Love the wing, of course. I am gonna stay with the Evo 9 wing. I am gonna get another gurney flat for it though. And then I did order the Evo 9 MR bumper. It's already here. And I got the SE lip, it's already here. I got the, I actually ordered side markers. I don't know if the side markers are here yet, but all that kind of stuff can't be done until the car gets painted. So next mission, since this thing does drive, I think the next mission, I'm trying to think right now. I don't think there's anything else before I should drop it off to get painted. So I think soon you guys will see it right now, but I don't know if there's gonna be too many more mods. Oh, we'll do the test fit of the SE lip, and we'll do a test fit of the JD, or how to install the JDM rear bumper. And then if anyone needs the 9 rear bumper stock or the 9 front lip, that'll be for sale on MITSUBISHI.com. I actually really like Facebook Marketplace, so it might be for sale in there as well. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this. Make sure to like, subscribe. I really like the BBS and powder coated black. And then I really like these hand cook wheels or tires. This will be a good setup for all seasons. I am going to be daily driving. This is my daily driver. The GTS, what's the other car I have? CELICA GTS, the MR2, and then I got another CELICA. Hope you guys enjoyed that one. That one's gonna be gone soon. I'm just getting the TRD stuff out of it just to give it to sell it to you guys. But that being said, make sure to like, subscribe. This is an amazing build. This is one of my favorite builds. It's old school, it's classic. It's cool to go from the 10 to this. I can see why people like 10s, and I can see why people like 8s and 9s. There's definitely I can see why you have each one. There's definitely good reasons for each, but so far this is one of my dream cars, and this OEM Plus is definitely what it looks like. And if you wanting to do your wheels in gloss black, this is what it looks like. So I know people will be coming to this channel to click to view this for these gloss black wheels, and so I hope that you guys like to see these. Would I recommend this? Yes. Worth the price? Yes. Is powder coating the best way to do it? Yes. So it's a good setup overall. Like, subscribe, see you guys in the next video.